Hey there, welcome back to another exciting review on our channel. Today, I am thrilled to introduce you to the EU Stock 20 folding e-bike with a powerful 1000W motor. This electric bike is perfect for both men and women, and it boasts a top speed of 45 km/h, making it an absolute game-changer for your daily commute or weekend adventures. With a 48V15R removable lithium-ion battery, this e-bike provides the perfect balance of power and energy efficiency. Whether you're zipping around town or tackling longer rides, you can enjoy a riding distance of 3,545 km without assistance and an impressive 7,090 km with power assistance. Plus, with a 5-level power assistance system and Shimano 7-speed transmission, you have the ultimate control over your riding experience. The EU Stock 20 folding e-bike is not just about power and performance, it's also designed with your comfort and convenience in mind. The full suspension and 20x 4.0 tires ensure a smooth and stable ride, while the aluminum alloy frame keeps the bike lightweight and durable. And let's not forget about the practicality of a folding design, making it easy to store and transport wherever the road takes you. What sets this e-bike apart is the 1000W brushless geared hub motor, delivering strong power, high efficiency, and responsive acceleration. Paired with the 48V15R removable lithium battery, you can expect a high energy density and 400,600 cycles of service life, giving you the freedom to ride farther, faster, and for longer. So, if you're ready to take your cycling experience to the next level, I highly recommend checking out the EU Stock 20 folding e-bike. With EU warehouse-ready stock and fast shipping to EU countries in just 510 working days, you can have this incredible e-bike at your doorstep in no time. Don't miss out on this opportunity to revolutionize your rides. Click the link in the description to purchase your very own EU Stock 20 folding e-bike today. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting reviews and recommendations. Happy riding!